Long ago, there was a kind and generous king named Mahabali. His people loved him because everyone lived happily and equally under his rule. But the gods grew worried as Mahabali became very powerful. So Lord Vishnu took the form of a small Brahmin boy called Vamana.
हे केशव हे माधव हे गोविन्द रक्ष रक्ष पाहि पाहि परमानन्दा
Vamana asked Mahabali for just 3 steps of land. Mahabali agreed. Suddenly, Vamana grew huge. With one step, he covered the earth. With the second step, the sky. For the third step, Mahabali bowed his head and Vamana placed his foot on it, sending him to the underworld. Because of Mahabali's goodness and devotion, Lord Vishnu blessed him to visit his people once every year. That day is celebrated as Onam, when people welcome their beloved king with joy, flowers, food, and celebration.